bacon my Angus Majesty, and I believe I'm believed our magical bacon majesty. Instead of 5 by 5, I went 6 by 6. Ooh. I would suggest in the future, make sure you get really quality bacon.
Very crafty.
Very. Cool.
Now what are we doing?
Sausage layer on. I'm putting down a wax sheet so that hopefully it will roll easier. Well, I had put our sausage layer down. Crumbled some bacon, peppers, mushrooms, onions, and we're going to do the barbecue sauce and try to roll this bad rat. It's good stuff, what can I say?
It is about the size of and weight of a human child, a human baby.
Yeah, pretty close.
Swaddled in bacon. Lovely.
Lovely. All right, we're going to go throw this on the smoker for a couple hours.
How long are we going to smoke it?
Probably about 2 to 3 hours.
So it'll be ready for game time.
This is probably... I've been told that this is the ultimate tailgate type food. I would have to agree. The key is you need good bacon. This bacon is absolutely the best. And when you're weaving your bacon, I think your bacon should be probably close to room temperature. Don't pull it just straight out of the fridge. Because that made it a little tougher to work with. But
We'll remember that.
anyway.
Okay. The bacon explosion is smoking in the grill. Little wood, little chicken breasts for me, who's trying to be good, and the beautiful bacon explosion. It actually looks really good, but I'm going to try to be good today. Look at that delicious chicken.
Well, we're going to put the final layer of barbecue sauce on the outside, give it a nice coating. And we're going to slice it up. It didn't seal and roll as well as I had hoped, but on my next attempt, I'll know what to do better. So there we go. There's put our barbecue sauce on the outside, and I think the moment of truth is at hand.
What do you think, Luke?
I think that looks good. You know what's on the outside?
Well, this is giant knife.
Yeah.
Did you cook that yet?
Yeah, it's sausagey goodness. And it didn't roll real good, but it rolled enough. You can see the mushroom and onion and goodness
bacon
inside there, and bacon inside. Let's cut another slice here.
Is it all done?
Yeah, let's see how. Oh, yeah, it kind of falling apart a little bit. But
Still looks good.
Still looks delicious.
All right.
So here it is. Moment of truth. Get back, you. Ta-da. Oh my God.
What do you think, Luke?
Good.
Look at me. Good?